viewers, much full. So in this video we are going to create the second calculator. The second calculator is with the button. So I am going to create here one.html for it, and here as you can see I have created. I will put the doc type here, and I will put here two tags, style tag. And then I will put here script tag like this, and I will make it in center of them. I will write here and button and input with the ID display, and then I will create a button. There will be a button with the one, and then I will put here an on click. I will put the on click of, like you can say, and function, like function A. In A function A, in it I will write here one like this, and then I will put here an old one like this, duplicate it to not 1 2 first we are, wait a second. First there will be 9. There will be 9. There will be an old one. Now wait. There will be 9, and here now I will do the old. 9 8 7 6 wait 1 2 3 4, and then there will be the mark of plus 9 8 7, and then there will be 9 8 7, and then 6 5 4, and then minus. After minus there will be 4 3 2 and 1, and then there will be one more thing, more buttons, like there will be a multiply. There will be a multiply, and then there will be divide, and then there will be a 0, and then there will be and C, like there will be nothing, but here will be the C. Now what we are going to do, we need one more thing, C2 equal to, so A, the B equal to C1 and the C equal to. Like this, we will style it now. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to style them. So I am going to style them how first 1 2 3 4, then BR 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, save it. Now it looks like this. Now you need one more BR, where duplicate it, come up here. Here you need one more. Now you are going to style it. How? Like the simple one we are going to do. We are going to write here button. In button we are going to write the font size. Font size is 20 pixels. Okay. There will be it, and then there will be a padding of 10 pixels. and then there will be a border of 2 pixels solid black, and then there will be a border radius of 20 pixels, and there will be a margin of 30 pixels. Not there is the margin is so much, 10 pixels, okay, and then there will be padding more like 20 pixels, and then there will be one more thing. The background will be like gray, background color gray, like not gray, it's not looking good, so I will do it like yellow. No, the background will be no. Now we will style them. Now first I will do it like these are the buttons. 9, 6, 3, divide. 9, we are going to call the 9 first. I will come here, I will write here alt 9, and then there will be the 6. 9, 6 and 3 and divide. There will be an option of style, background color yellow and color black. But the another one we are going to change. Write a style, background, color black and color yellow. Save it. It looks like this. Wait, 8, 7, 6. Wait a second. Wait, there is a problem. What is the problem? We have to see. Okay. No, it's not the problem. Okay, that's the problem. And these are extra. Save it. Now it looks like this. Now we have to style the input. Input will have an padding 420 pixels and background of linear gradient yellow, comma black, and 2 there will be 2 right like this, and there will be a width of 300 pixels like this, and body text alignment center like this, border none, and there will be border radius of 20 pixels. It looks like this now. It looks like this, amazing. But we have to know one more thing, that the text is not looking good. The color is not good, so we are going to change the color. Color will be like, you can say red. Yes. And we are going to give it a font size of my I will put the font size of like 20 pixels like this. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I will give it an font family of fantasy. It will show it now like this. Now what we are going to do, my favorite language, scripting. We are going to start by scripting like let display equal to document dot get element by the ID. The ID is display, and then we are going to use function. Function A. In it there will be an input like this. Now in it you have to write here display plus equal to input dot value. Display dot value. Wait. Right, showing us undefined weight plus and then not value like this. Okay, 98 plus 98. But why my equal to n is not working and my c is not working? So we are going to now write the c1 function b. You have to only write the display dot value, and it's easiest calculator in the history of programming. Now display dot value equal to blank. Save it like this. 987 plus 787 like 799. If I click to the C, so that will be good. So if I come here back and make here the main function, what is the main function of equal to? Right here function C. In function C, that I am telling you a thing that is secret. So I will tell you the secret of programming. Don't tell anyone. So the secret is going to be open. You have to write here try. Open it and try equal to display dot value equal to eval display dot value. Now we are going to wait. You have to write here one more thing. Catch error and display dot value equal to error. Save it. Now it like no. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. And if I do it C, so that will be. But I want to change the divide one. So I will click here and divide symbol, divide sign, you can see. There is it. You have to copy it. Come here. Right here. And you have to change it. Here is it. That will be there is it. Like this, and you can finish it from here. Now we can perfect many things in it, like you can change the background, more things, you can add more CSS. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video of creating a calculator, we had created here 2 calculators. So we can add one more thing to give it an beauty. I will show you what is it. That's a simple thing. I will call here the alt key function. one right here, 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 and then come down. You are going to put it here, like this. Give it and space. Wait. Give it more space. Come here. Now you have to write here border. The border is going to be what? Of like 2 pixel solid yellow. Yes, now it's looking amazing. Save it. Now the calculator is looking like an calculator. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.